Meaning of fratricidal.
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 Fratricidal. Fratricidal refers to an action that is harmful or fatal to one's own siblings or fellow members of a group. For example, a fratricidal conflict would be one in which members of the same group engage in violent actions against one another. The consequences of fratricidal behavior can be devastating. It can lead to a breakdown in trust and cooperation within the group, weakening its ability to function effectively. Fratricide can also cause lasting emotional trauma for those involved, creating deep-seated animosity and resentment that may persist long after the conflict has ended. Ultimately, fratricidal behavior threatens the well-being of the entire group and undermines its chances of success.